do we have lab work today? Hello? Can someone speak to me? Mia, do we have lab work?
Yeah, of course. We're doing that elephant toothpaste thingy, remember?
Ah. Huh?
Why are you asking her? I thought you were my friend.
But I'm friends with both.
Stella, can you please tell Freya to stop pointing at me? Stella, can you please tell Mia that this is a free country? Stella, can you please tell Freya to...
Oh, stop it, both of you!
Thank you, Stella. Perhaps we could begin.
Okay, so since I'm not allowed to be friends with both of you at the same time today, and break is 15 minutes, that means 7.5 minutes each, okay? Fair?
Hey, you two still arguing? You should settle it like we do. By wrestling. Last man standing wins.
Yeah. That's a great idea. What do you think, girls? Okay, Freya, 7.5 minutes. Go.
Stella, can you please tell Freya not to cut in front of me like that?
Oh, come on. Can you just please tell me what you're arguing about?
Ask her. What? No, ask her.
Is this about Freya saying you're so lazy in school?
Huh?
Because I don't think she means...
She says, what?
Oops, sorry. You didn't know that? Oh! Whoa!
Huh?
Freya, please! Isn't Mia always saying she's got nicer hair than you?
What?
Then I don't think it's true.
Nicer hair? What's wrong with my hair?
Oops, sorry.